Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we help you make the most of your money. Today, we're diving into the Citi Shop Your Way card. Is this the perfect card for your wallet or just another piece of plastic? Stick around to find out. First off, the Citi Shop Your Way card is a co-branded credit card designed for shoppers who love Sears and Kmart, but here's the catch. You can earn rewards that extend beyond just these stores. Let's break it down. With this card, you earn 5% back in Shop Your Way points on eligible gas purchases and at participating grocery stores and restaurants for the first $10,000 per year. After that, it drops to 1% plus. You'll get 3% back on eligible purchases at Sears and Kmart and 1% on everything else. Not bad, right? Now, let's talk pros and cons. One big plus, no annual fee, and those high rewards rates on gas and groceries, perfect for families and frequent travelers. But here's the downside. Rewards are in Shop Your Way points, which limits how and where you can spend them. If you are not a fan of Sears or Kmart, this card might not be the best fit. The card also offers some solid perks: no foreign transaction fees, fraud protection, and 0% intro APR on balance transfer for 12 months. Just watch out for that 26.74% variable APR after the intro period. It's a bit steep. So, is the Citi Shop Your Way card worth it? If you're loyal to Sears, Kmart, or you're looking for strong rewards on everyday spending, this card could be a great choice. But if you prefer more flexible rewards, you might want to shop your way to another card. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.